Hello beautiful ladies, welcome to my channel. I am Wonders Craft. This is the home of trendy, elegant fascinator making, where creativity meets style and class. Sit back, get inspired, and let's create stunning fascinators together.
Welcome back to the part 2 of this tutorial. If this is your first time here, do not forget to subscribe, hit on the like button and share this video with your family and friends. So guys, let's get started. So I introduced the material used in my part 1 and I showed you how to go through all this process to achieve this very style. So for the leaf design, you can decide to make it bigger or smaller according to how you like it. So I went ahead to cover this up with my bias, and then I folded it as so, and then I went ahead to create these feathers. If you don't know how to create this, I have a tutorial on how to do this with my black star feathers. Just follow the same process, you will see exactly how to do that. I have 2 of these leaves. If you take note, you'll see that my leaves are a bit bigger, and then I created the base using the same process as the leaves I created. Okay, so this other leaf that I folded like this was supposed to be 3, but yeah, it is 2 because I want to replace the other I want to replace the feathers with the one that was supposed to be up. Okay, I hope that is understood. So it is now 2 big leaves, 2 small leaves, 1 base and Alice band. I'm actually going to use a small Alice band because I think I prefer it to the bigger one, and then the feathers. All right, just 1. So we are going to couple it now. And then this was the design I did for a small child. This one was molded, and that was the outcome. If you need a tutorial on that, you can as well let me know. All right, so let me show you how to couple these. You have to pay a close attention on how to couple this so that you will not miss any part of this tutorial. So first I'm going to lay my Alice band, and then I put the base. I'm going to sew it down just at that place. I'm not going to gum, I'm going to sew it down. Now you can decide to cover up your Alice band before this process. You can decide to leave it like that. All right, so what you will do is to centralize it. Centralize this base. Make sure both sides are equal, and then you sew it down on both sides. All right. Okay, so we are going to start coupling it. So this one was straight. I folded the tips in just once. Just fold it in once. Okay. One thing I have to lay emphasis on when we are creating a spiral, try and use a very flexible wire. Okay, so I'm going to sew it at this point, but first of all I'm going to gum it down with my hot glue just for extra hold. Gum it down first. So that you will know how I'm going to sew. And then I'll put glue here and gum it down as well. I'll put the second layer. on top of this. Right? You press and hold. All right, so you see the result of using a stiff wire. You see how I was struggling to lay that thing. Had it been it was that soft one, it would have just laid while the other one just overlap it. Okay, so try, I am laying emphasis again, try and use a very soft wire. I think someone said the name is called coral wire. Use that wire that they use in making beads. Use that one, very soft wire. You're going to enjoy your work. Okay, so I'm going to sew. I'm just showing you how I'm going to sew this thing. I'm sure everybody knows how to sew. And one thing I have to let you know is that when you are sewing, you should use invisible sewing. Okay, if you don't know what invisible sewing is, I don't know, maybe you have to browse and see how it is done, because I didn't record that part of the video here because it was in the night. So I'm just going to sew it down and sew the way I'm showing you. I'm not going to gum this leaf. This leaf, don't try to gum it too. If not, you make a mess completely. Don't gum it. The way you see it, sew it down and you have this beautiful headpiece. Alright, for those that asked about the pictures I attached to the video, the part 1 of this tutorial, and talks about an upcoming trainings, such videos, such group is going to be here on YouTube. It's going to be in connection with the YouTube partnering program, okay? And the price for it monthly is 3,000 naira. That's very optional, okay? All right, so but those videos are exclusive videos for only people that are going to pay for the classes. And becoming a member of this channel is just 1,000 naira, which I told you the benefit that you get to see the video early, and it's just your way of supporting what I do and encouraging me to do more. All right, then the in video, for those of you that ask about personal trainings, such trainings takes place in my Telegram group, which I'm going to leave a link on the description box for you to join the group. That one, there is no price, there's no fixed price attached to it. It is when I drop a video, then I'll put a price tag on how much you need to pay for that video. So I'm going to drop, if you check my description box, you're going to see my Telegram. If you have watched to this extent, thank you very much for your patience. If this is your first time of stopping by, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you get to see. And do not forget to join our membership. Till we meet again, do have a good life. Bye.